I'm finished with my orange. So the next color I'm going to give is yellow. So yellow on the top. It's like as if we are doing this drawing inside a sun, inside a sunset. So the top one is yellow. So like this. Now next is, so you can take little orange and you can draw a sun here like this. Sorry. And just give the rays like this. With the red color. And here also just a little of shading. With yellow and orange. Mixed. See, those who are doing with this crayons, you can just omit this step because it is not possible to bring this with the crayons. So you can just simply give it yellow and put the sun rays. That is enough. So like this. Now it's time to do the painting of pot and the sugar cane on top. So for sugar cane, I'm just going to give purple color. Like this. And for the leaves, I'm just going to give light green color. See, for all the leaves it's light green color. I have done with my pot coloring and sugarcane coloring and leaf coloring also. Now next step is you have to just take yellow paint and you have to put some grains like this. This is optional. Those who don't have paint, please don't do it. Those who have paint can do this step so that your drawing will look nice. See, I have kept my pot like white in some places for that the pot can be seen properly. I don't want to paint the pot, like color the pot fully brown. It's up to you, it's your wish. If you want, you can do it. So the last step is like we are just going to draw rays of the sun. See, it's actually a sunset inside a sun, and inside that it's a pongal drawing. So you have to just do sun rays with yellow color. Those who are using paint, see, just take the brush and do the brush like this weekly. Those who are just using crayons, just do like this. No need to put outline and all, it's not needed. So like this. So our beautiful Pongal drawing, beautiful and easy Pongal drawing is done. If you want, you can just write Happy Pongal Kids inside or outside. Happy Pongal or Happy Sankranti here. Thank you kids. Happy Pongal all of you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi kids. Today we are going to do a beautiful drawing for the Pongal festival that is coming tomorrow. So for this, I am going to draw in a portrait mode. So keep the book or the paper which you are using vertically like this, and take a plate or a bowl like this which is of medium size. Anything you can take, and you have to outline this. You have to take the outline of this circle. So like this. So it will be like this. Now after drawing this, you can use a bangle like this here, and draw only this part. So the rest part, like you can just leave this part and you can draw this part. So this is our pot. So I'm just going to draw a curve like this and draw like this. And after this, we are going to draw the pongal that is going to come from this pot like this. And now here we are going to decorate the pot. So for this, draw curves like this, and in each curve we are going to put designs, and we are going to color this. So you can use your own designs also. It's not necessary that you have to copy my designs. You can use your creative designs also for the pot. So I'm just going to draw very simple designs for this pot. Like this. See, the first is V pattern, circle with dots and the slanting lines and the double line pattern. And the bottom I am just going to leave it empty. So after this, we will draw the sugar cane. So here you have to draw two lines like this, and here also, here you have to draw two lines like this and draw leaves like this. And draw two leaf shape here like this, and here also draw two leaves like this, and draw one more sugar cane here and draw the leaves like this, and draw lines inside it, and we will color this one purple. You can use crayons or sketch pens or brush pens or paints, anything you can use for coloring. It's up to you. You can do any parts of like anything for coloring. So now our drawing is over. We'll just color it. First I'm going to color the outside thing. So first I gave red color to the pot. The next one I'm just going to give orange color. See, I am using paint, but you can use brush pens or sketch pens or color pencils or crayons. Normal crayons is enough. I don't want you people to use paint and do messy work. Give it slowly and neatly.